are continuing our ride-along video in the 1981 Replicar of the 1931 Ford Phaeton. Model A variation.
Everybody thinks this is a joy.
Everyone we see is loving this car. Rolling down the road, purring like a top. Beautiful Palm Beach Intercoastal Waterway. This is the scenic route. And that might be Tiger Woods' yacht. Maybe. Oh, it's not. But that's where he parks it. Or your new